In this video, you'll learn how to change your password on eBay. This process will help you update your account security and ensure your personal information remains protected. Begin by signing in to your eBay account using your existing login credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, look for your profile icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu and then select the option labeled Account Settings. This action will take you to the account management page. Within the account settings, locate the section titled Security or Sign In and Security. This area contains essential options related to password management and account protection. Ensuring you are in the correct security settings page is crucial for safely updating your password without affecting other account configurations. Next, find and click on the Change Password option within the security settings. eBay will prompt you to enter your current password for verification. After entering your existing password correctly, you will be able to input your new password in the designated fields. It is important to create a strong password by combining letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessed information, such as birthdays or common words to enhance the security of your account. After you have entered your new password, you will need to confirm it by typing it again in the verification field. Once you have completed this step, click the Save Changes button to finalize the update. At this point, eBay will process your request and update your account security settings immediately. You may also receive a confirmation email notifying you of the password change. Keep your new password secure and do not share it with anyone to maintain your account's integrity. From now on, your account will require this new password for future logins. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.